YouTube channel. And today we are going to be fixing my Lambo electric motorcycle. It costs like it goes like 60 miles an hour.
It does? It probably feels like it goes 60 miles an hour, huh?
16.
16? I thought you said 60.
60 is how much it feels.
Oh, it feels?
Yeah.
All right.
Right now it's in park.
But what are you doing to it?
And you can also turn on the lights occasionally. It just has to be turned on, like this. Which is really cool,
yeah,
obviously.
really cool lights on it.
Look what happens when I try to drive it. It's broken, obviously. So
Well,
we need to put the chain back on.
The chain came off, so you're going to put the chain back on it. So you're going to have to go find the screw right here. Let's see, what is it? It looks like it's a hex screw. So go over there to the toolbox and get the hex wrenches out.
Here, I can't reach.
Let's see.
Maybe I do this.
I think they're... Oh, right here. Grab these.
Dang. Alright, for now.
And then we will grab a ratchet.
Alright guys, just gotta get my gloves on. As always, you don't want to get your hand dirty. If you didn't know though, I actually just finished the first day of school, like an hour ago. Alright, so I'm gonna take this socket, goes right there. Alright, we're gonna grab this. Okay, we're gonna grab this, we're gonna put it on. Alright. Oh, well it doesn't look to come on, I guess. That way. Here we go.
You gotta turn the clicker, remember? Remember the switch?
Huh?
The
This?
switch.
Flip?
Yeah.
Flip it.
Yeah, flip it.
Alright. Now what? This way?
Yep.
There we go. That's so much more satisfying. If to y'all it's not satisfying, but in where I am, obviously in Oklahoma, it is so satisfying.
What is so satisfying?
This.
Uh-huh.
It's a little satisfying. Just like me crunching chips at school is satisfying.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. And I had to eat my chips for snack. I had to eat my snack thing, and I didn't know that snack was at the end of the day.
Huh.
Yep. Alright, we got it off. We're gonna go for the second one. And just to learn more about me, guys, I need to tell y'all that I have actually reached 10 subscribers now. So please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and once I hit 50 subscribers, I will be able to live stream.
You think?
Yeah.
Hmm.
Oh yeah, because on my mom's phone, she has a YouTube channel that my brother made. And Dad, you have to reach 50 subscribers in order to actually post an actual YouTube short.
Oh yeah?
Uh-huh. I don't know why it's
It almost looks like another one's hiding somewhere, so you might want to check underneath. Let's see. I think there might be one hiding back behind, right there. You're gonna have to poke the socket through there.
Poke it?
Yeah. There you go.
Oh. I would just take that off, right?
Well, you don't have to take it off, just...
Yeah, we don't really need it. Ow. How are you seriously? Can you get this off, Dad, please? Thank you. Alright. Oh, wrong way. I usually think this is the right way because it makes the noise, but no.
So you were just riding and the chain came off?
No, actually it just came off occasionally for some reason.
Oh yeah? Hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so
Now we
let's
gotta...
see. So the chain's off all the way up here. Probably need to put it on the big side first. Put it.
Yeah, wait.
Pull it up.
Do I need to put that right there? And then
Well,
that
put
right there?
it.
Does it need to go like that?
Put it over the big sprocket first.
Big sprocket. Oh.
Yeah.
Obviously. Alright.
You gotta straighten it up in the gears.
Get it. I'm gonna get this. First of all,
See the gear inside?
Chain. Get it over. Yeah, wait. Oh, maybe we should do the back first, right?
Well, you gotta get it in the slot and then spin it.
Yeah, wait. I need to get the bottom out. Alright, there we go.
No,
now
you-
I'll be able to get it.
Okay.
Oh!
Alright, you got that? Okay, so now you gotta put this one on the front gear, and I don't know where that one was originally, because I don't know. Probably so. So go ahead and pull that back, and then put the gear on the motor while you're pulling this back. So you gotta hold this, and then put the chain on the gear.
On the gear.
Okay, now put your other hand up there.
Oh, can you help me?
Let's see, if you spin this slightly, or spin it backwards since it's a free wheel, and then get it underneath here,
Oh.
and then
Yeah.
you almost got it. You gotta watch your finger though.
Ow.
You gotta
Ow.
hold that, but pull enough pressure on it from the bottom right here and pull it outward
Yeah, wait, can you do it?
as you're doing the free wheel.
Here, I'll hand you a glove. Can you do it?
No, you do it. It's your bike.
No! Ow!
Here, I'll spin it backwards back here, but you gotta
It's-
pull that chain outward
Okay, hang on.
so that we can get it on.
Now.
No, you gotta do it from the bottom
Can you,
so we can free wheel it.
please, Dad, can you help me? I'm not as good as you, please.
But you're never gonna learn unless you do it. Pull the
Two.
chain outward on the bottom. You're doing great.
Outward. Outward.
But watch your finger. No, you gotta hold it from the bottom and pull it outward.
Okay, outward.
But this is gonna have to be pushed back too, because this is what gives it tension.
Outward. Outward.
So here, put your finger underneath here like this, and then pull it like this. Okay. Now push the tensioner down.
Push it down.
Okay. Now try to get the chain up on the gear. You getting it up on the gear?
No, it doesn't.
Yeah. Pull it. No, you're not pulling it. Pull it this way, and then let it slide up.
Ah, I almost got it.
I know. And then I'll pull.
Oh. Oh.
Okay, now watch your fingers. Don't get your finger caught. Now you gotta push it back on. You gotta be careful so it don't slide off.
Ah, dang it.
Yep.
It went over.
Yep.
I think I may be able to get it. There we go.
Okay. You got it?
Mhm.
Okay, so now
Wait,
you
and
gotta
now?
now you gotta put the tensioner on it. So after I looked at it, it looks like that this part, the tensioner, actually rides under the lower chain. So you gotta push that tensioner way down, let go of the top side of the chain, and then push that tensioner all the way downward and pull that chain up and over it. So it's gonna be kind of tough. You gotta slide
Nope, it's not. No, it's not, Dad. I told you I'm getting older. Ow.
I think you got it.
Nope, I got mine there. There we go. That was easy.
Is that how? Yep. I think that's how. Yep, that's how it goes.
Alright.
See how easy that was?
Yeah, it was actually quite easy.
Okay, be careful, don't get it on your school clothes, you know, the grease and the oil. So now you gotta put the cover back on.
Oh my gosh, Dad. Alright, I can do this without this
Okay.
clothes on, right?
Yep.
Alright, right there.
You gotta line it up. You gotta see where the screw holes are and line it up. Put the screws back in it.
Right there? One. Alright, we're gonna start with this one. It's gonna screw. Dad, can you help with this part?
Sure. Here, I'll help you get the first one in and just to help line it up. So
Give me this.
I think it would be easier. Well, this one's outward. Go ahead and screw that in.
Only a little bit though, because I got the
Since
rest.
it's plastic and it's not sliding straight through, we'll go ahead and screw that in just a little bit.
Alright. Thanks. Here we go.
Okay, so let's see. Yep, there's a little bit sticking through, so I'll help you line it up right here because it's kind of hard to line up. Let's see.
Dad, I think that's supposed to go right there.
Well, I think you had it a little bit lower than what it was before, but I think that's right where it's supposed to be, right there. You gotta click the clicker. You gotta move the clicker so you go righty-tighty.
Think that maybe right there, right there?
Yep. All right, now don't snug it up yet. Go ahead and put the other screws in there. Because remember, you want to keep it loose so that you have a little bit of playroom for the other screws, so that if they don't line up perfectly, you have a little bit of wiggle room in the plastic so that you can put it on there. And that pretty much goes with everything, whatever you're putting on, even like starters and transmissions and all that.
Tight, tight.
Whenever I put engines in and transmissions in, I never tighten up all the bolts. I always leave them slightly loose until I get them all in and almost all the way down, then I tighten them up. That way I don't cross thread the screws. Everything is you know, in its proper place.
Alright, I'm gonna start with this one going fully in.
Yeah, the last one you can go ahead and go fully in. Just don't break it because it is plastic.
Yep.
But see, next time you only have to have me. You'll be able to do it all by yourself. Chain comes off and you'll be able to do it.
Not the whole thing, because you know, helped me with that part.
Yeah.
And I can't reach some of it. Alright, I'm gonna tighten it up. This one's really loose. Finish it. Alright.
Not real tight.
Like that?
That's probably good. That's probably good.
Oh, it's thick. I think this one needs a little more.
That's probably good.
Here we go. Nah. Let's go. This one needs a lot more. To be honest, I wasn't really on this one at all.
Okay, let me see it just so I can see what it feels like as far as torque.
Ah!
Let's see what it feels like as far as torque goes. Yeah, I think those feel plenty tight. I have no idea what the torque rating is on these, but they feel like they're plenty tight. So,
Alright.
I saved your sticker right here too.
Ah, we'll put that back on. Alright, and we can go ahead and do this. That back on.
Where's your helmet at?
My Louis Vuitton.
Where's your helmet at?
Are you sure?
I don't know where
think
your
I'm
helmet
old
is.
enough for this.
Here, you're gonna go test ride it? Alright, you gotta go find your helmet though before you go high speed, okay?
Yeah. I'm
All
gonna
right.
go to the house. I'll be right back, guys.
You
Hi,
really
guys.
you really need some pants on, not shorts.
This
So-
isn't motor.
Works? Well, to me it does. It's not going fast enough to have a helmet on. But there's a cat. What's the cat doing today? Is that as fast as it'll go?
It's only in second.
Okay, well it looks like you're going slow. You don't even, I mean shoot.
I'll put
You put the helmet on, but
It's in third.
your four-wheeler goes a lot faster than that.
Oh, it's
You gotta
in
be
third
careful
now.
though.
It's in third now. I'm even in the grass and look what it does.
Yeah, it's moving quicker now. Yeah, it's moving quite a bit faster now.
That's not on the concrete long enough to get to 16 miles.
How to get to how fast?
16, I got to 15.
You got to 15?
I couldn't get to 16.
Well, it was moving a whole lot faster in high gear, I guess.
Oh, hang on, let me show you first gear. You don't even want to know.
Get your feet up.
First gear.
Feet up. Yeah, first gear is slow.
Look, Dad. I have my own contraption. Dad. Ready? Alright, look. Imagine this in third, okay? Or first, alright? Watch this.
Alright.
I can turn it straight into second or third. That's how you turn it into third. So look. This is first. I take my foot. I push it down. Third, that's third already. This is first. Take my foot. I push it down. Second. Third. Alright, I'm coming. Alright guys, make sure to like, subscribe, share with your friends, and make sure to add a comment, and then, well, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace!